Here's an example of working with layers. So let's say I want to hide everything except for the holes. So I'm going to go to the Edit tab. We're going to go to Blank. Then we're going to select the yellow stack over here, the layers. We're going to select what we're going to hide, and I'm holding the control down. Then you're going to go up in the upper right here to select all. And that's how you would hide them. Let's say and you're going to turn off the discriminate layers by simply selecting the yellow stack again. So I'm going to go undo. And the same thing applies. What if I want to translate? I want to move just the holes. So let's go over to the right hand side, X, Y, Z. Let's go -6 inches in X, so we're going to move it to the left. Enter. Then we're going to go to the stack of layers, select holes, select all. And then just be sure to turn the layer discrimination off again by clicking on the button. And that concludes the video.